Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel BP Shine. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your life. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. So let's start today's video. So this video is a innovative collection and inspirational ideas of beaded earrings. Okay, you know what? When a person starts making jewelry, so he first approaches beaded jewelry. Okay, he collect a lot of different beads like seed beads, a little one, and different oval shaped beads. They collect them and then made a beautiful jewelry. So what that person have to do in this video, I will discuss in detail. Okay, firstly we have to introduce the topic. Welcome to our enchanting world of beaded hoop earrings, where creativity knows no bounds and beauty reigns supreme. This collection is a treasure trove of innovative designs carefully crafted to inspire and delight. Each pair of earrings is a masterpiece woven with precision and passion by various different amazing designers, showcasing the perfect blend of artistry and craftsmanship. Next, we have to discuss a word of beading techniques. I repeat this, a word of beading techniques. Okay, let's discuss it. As we delve into this stunning collection, you will discover a myriad of beading techniques from intricate seed beading to bold and colorful statement pieces. Every design tells a story reflecting the artisan's skills and attention to detail. The beads, like tiny jewels, sparkle and shine, casting a spell of wonder and enchantment. Next, we have to discuss versatility and timelessness. One of the standout features of this collection is its incredible versatility. Hoop earrings are a timeless classic suitable for any occasion from casual everyday wear to formal events. They can add a touch of beauty, elegant to a simple outfit or make a bold statement with a more elaborate design. This beaded hoop collection come in a range of sizes from delicate and dainty to chunky and large, dramatic, amazing, unique, ensuring that there is a something for everyone. As you explore this beautiful collection, you will notice the meticulous attention to detail that has gone into each and every design. The beads are carefully selected and arranged to create a harmonious balance of color, texture, and shape. Every element, from the type of bead to the wire wrapping technique, has been carefully considered to create a truly unique and breathtaking piece of jewelry. You know what? This collection, these means this jewelry, like a beaded earring, emotionally connect us. How the beauty of these beaded hoop earrings lies not only in their visual appeal but also lie in the emotion and memories they evoke. Each pair is imbued with the artisan's love, passion, making every piece a show-stopping treasure. Whether you are treating yourself or gifting someone special, these earrings are sure to bring joy and delight. Inspiration and creativity. This stunning collection of beaded hoop earrings is a must see for anyone who loves jewelry, beauty, and creativity. With its incredible diversity, versatility, and attention to detail, it's a treasure trove of inspiration and delight. So, why not indulge your senses and explore this enchanting world of beaded hoop earrings? You never know what beauty and magic you might discover in this video. So, keep watching the whole video and connect with me by listening to my information. Okay, let's discuss the designs that are included in this video. Some of the unique designs you can find in this collection include delicate seed beads hoop in shimmering silver and gold. The other one is bold and colorful statement pieces featuring oversized beads and intricate wire wrapping. The other one type included in this video is elegant crystal hoops that sparkle and shine like diamonds. The other one is whimsical beaded animals and charms that add a touch of playfulness to any outfit. And the other most important one is the bohemian inspired hoops featuring natural materials like wood, shell, and stone. And my favorite one is geometric shaped hoops with intricate patterns and designs. Last one is dainty beaded flowers and leaves that add a touch of femininity to any outfit. There are various types included classic hoop earrings, beaded hoop earrings, bold and statement hoop earrings like oversized, minimalist hoop earrings, simple and elegant, geometric hoop earrings, nature inspired hoop earrings, lugs and glamorous hoop earrings, bohemian and ethnic hoop earrings, drop hoop earrings, and texture hoop earrings. Sometimes it include like a personalized hoop earrings. Now, I want to conclude this video. So, in conclusion, this stunning collection of beaded hoop earrings is a true masterpiece of jewelry design. With its incredible diversity, versatility, and attention to detail, it's a must see for anyone who loves jewelry, beauty, and creativity. Whether you are treating yourself or gifting someone special, these earrings are sure to bring joy and delight. This video is also for those people who wants to explore different trendy unique collection of latest jewelry, so he or she can approach my videos and get many inspirational ideas and designs. So that's all for the day. I hope you liked my video, these beautiful beaded earrings and the information that I give. I think that's not enough, but inshallah, in the upcoming videos, I will share more knowledge about the jewelry collection that I share in my videos. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Stay